Hello friends, welcome to our channel Arogya Mandir. Our today's topic is Yoga Teacher. Becoming a certified yoga teacher is an investment of time and money, but the rewards that you get back make it well worth. Come and develop the skill to teach yoga practices, gaining a solid grounding in the classical yoga tradition and at the same time deepen your spiritual connections to yoga and open yourself to profound inner transformation. In this course, you will establish a firm foundation of discipline that promotes physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual growth and builds a strong base from which to teach others naturally and with confidence. The Yoga Teacher Training course is a 150 hours intensive online course based on the ancient Gurukul system of India connected to ancient teaching lineage, which is Guru Parampara, passed down from Guru to disciple through thousands of years. The curriculum is extensive and covers both theory and practical practices. Let's see what we will learn in this course. Yoga postures, yoga asanas, which includes 10 type of loosening practices, sun salutation, 30 basic yoga postures, postural alignment, deep relaxation with auto suggestions. We will be learning asanas. So let's understand the benefit of that asanas. The practice of yoga asanas gives us it controls emotions, improves power of concentration, rid the body fat, excessive fat, enhance physical fitness, relieves chronic ailments such as constipation, stomach complaints, etc. Stimulate circulation, stabilize thyroid functions, keep muscles youthful and supple, and many more. We will be learning pranayama, which expands the capacity of the lungs, relaxes the nervous system, balances the two hemispheres of brain, purifies the nadis, awakening the inner spiritual energies. We'll be learning Kapalabhati, a lung cleansing practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. We'll be learning fast breathing, deep breathing, Anulom Vilom, and Brahmari Pranayam. Shuddhi Kriya, which are the important aspect of yoga, we'll be learning Jalaneti, Kapalabhati, Vamandhoti. These classical purifications give the cleansing effect to the eyes, nose, air passages, esophagus, and stomach and abdominal organs. We will be learning anatomy and physiology, introduction to the major body system, the effect of asana and pranayama on the cardiovascular system, respiration, digestion, skeletal and muscular system. Along with, we'll be getting knowledge of endocrine system as well. Above all, we will learn the teaching methodology, how to teach these basic postures and breathing practices to the beginners in our class. Some corrections, detailed corrections are required. That also we will be learning in this session. We'll be learning healthy diet and nutrition, meditation, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga. So friends, becoming a certified yoga teacher, as I said, is an investment of time and money, but the rewards that you get back make it well worth. As a yoga instructor, you have unique opportunities for personal and professional growth. Making money is great, but there are many other benefits of becoming a yoga instructor that may make it the right next step for you. So do not miss the opportunity. For further details, please feel free to contact us. Thank you and have a good day.